We are working to get answers to questions you may have about the COVID vaccine, helping you get the facts about the vax. Want to start tonight with a question sent in by a viewer, something you may be wondering about as well. The question was, is it safe to get a COVID vaccine if I have not been getting the flu shot because of an autoimmune condition? Good question. So I took that to Dr. Karen Landers at the Alabama Department of Public Health. Here's part of what she told me.
Well, again, certainly if persons have severe health problems, they would probably want to check with their physician about any advice. However, having an autoimmune condition is not a contraindication to taking a COVID-19 vaccine. In fact, persons with underlying medical problems are at higher risk for poor outcomes.
Another question you may have about the vaccine, what about the variants? What do you have to do to protect yourself from the variants? Here again is Dr. Landers.
At this time, it does appear that the vaccines that we have available are effective against the variants. Now, that is a concern, and certainly that could change, but at least at the moment, it appears that the variants are covered. I think the important aspect is, first of all, be vaccinated. Secondly, it's still important when you are in large crowds of people to try to minimize your distance, try to keep your social distancing, and then some people remain more comfortable wearing masks in large crowds of people, and I think that's probably a reasonable action.
And Dr. Landers also said hand hygiene, that's going to continue to be key as well. If you have a question, let me know. I will work to get an answer for you. That email address on your screen, WVTM13 at WVTM.com, is the best way to reach me.